Welcome back to Manisto Key, folks. Well, we've had about 10 hours of time on the saw now and starting to figure out how to do things, but still making many mistakes. Got some balsam to cut, and then I've got a problem because I got a birch that's too long, but we have a solution that goes with that. So stay tuned. The idea was to cut off the small portion off the top, not off the bottom. So I kept the way instead of getting rid of it. Anyway, rookie mistake. Try to keep it in mind for the next time. Sawmilling 101. Got some nice one bys though. Well, that tree was 11 inches in diameter, and working my way through the cut, I got six 2x4s, 10 foot long, and then two 1x4s, 10 foot long. So Probably not as efficient as some, but we're getting there. Let's do some more. Well, folks, and look at what sawmilling with Sandy does. He's got his nice operation here, nice shelter, and the wood rack and everything else. I'm looking up at Mother Nature here right now. She's giving us a blessing of more snow, I guess. Anyways, gotta get that shoveled off and moved out of the way before I can get my umber put away from the last cut. Anyway, lots of fun. Here we go. Well, we had a problem with having trees that were too long for the mill. So we got a new parcel. Almost 17 feet of cutting capacity once we got this installed. That's the new track extension. Anyway, good job, Manitoulin. Hey again. So we got that track extension in. That's what we'll work on here. I got a log waiting on the deck of the sawmill as it is. It's too long for what I got, so time to put the reach on. Anyway, let's see what we can do. I guess we're all dressed up in camel here now, but anyways, thanks for the hat, Woodland Mills. Thanks for the new box too. So we're just gonna enjoy sitting here, have a coffee, nice and easy, and we'll make it so that we can cut that guy. 16 feet, here we come. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed the video. We got 15 feet 4 inches on that birch log. We now have enough room. Anyways, thanks for watching. Click subscribe and like, and we'll see you around the next time. Take care, stay safe.